welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about that gentleman that she says is basically bothering her. She's saying that he continues to bother her. She's saying that he's calling her from homeless to saying that she's living in a motel to saying that basically she's having being involved with a man that she met maybe at the gas station or someone that is homeless as well. So go ahead and catch the video and see what Marcia has to say about this, because she has a lot to say. And this is something that she is really upset about because, she's saying that she is in her own house. She's rented and she did not owe any rent on the last apartment that she had. And whatever money she has and she's spending wherever she is, that's her money, and she's doing what she wants to do with her money. Therefore, no one is supposed to, basically come out and talk about her stuff because it's hers and she do whatever she wants to do with her stuff. So catch the video, lovelies, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. As always, guys, as I said before, subscribe away and comment away. And remember to always have yourselves a beautiful day.
Who are promoting slandering, discrimination, and bullying. Don't even talk about the video that this man made few like maybe 16 hours ago or whatever it is he made towards me, when I'm telling people that me pick up man from gas station and me live with homeless man, and man come out of halfway house and me living in a hotel and this and that, and me owe 9 months rent, which part me I come from the house, and why me look so, and what me must, when me get money from to buy t-shirt, and why me look so happy in this last day. So obviously, this man is jealous of my life. This man is jealous of my life. Because me left Woodland Village, and me no owe Woodland Village $1. So me no know how is it that him come, when him get out of that piece of court paper with anything that I hold, that anything. Him trying to be funny when him talking about me getting paperwork for whatever, and by the way. All this man is doing is going over him channel and making up all kind of story because him want to hear which part me there. And I'm going to tell you now, none of no dirty pussy all this morning and know which part me there. Whatever you want to assume, say me live in a motel holiday inn, if that's the case, I feel me blood clot money I pay for. Not for no. Me see one other statement where somebody write, but if she only come down from her humility and ask for help. Fuck you, dirty bitch. Me no want no blood clot help from none of you. Fuck you, go help your own blood clot self, bitch. But only she too show off, only if she come down and ask for help. I don't want no blood clot help from none of you. Fuck you and go help your blood clot poor ass family with that blood clot Jamaica. And go help your blood clot or your pussy clot self or your bumbo clot pitney them. And that they help you if you go, and that if you go help. Did I ask for any blood clot help from now no? All I come out and I say, have my supporters them buy my product. What the fuck you on right up about only if you come out of humility? Ask for what kind of help? If me want help, me not go ask my sisters and my brother them. Fuck you, motherfucker. What you mean, me come down off of me, come down a humility and ask for help? What kind of blood clot help me need from you? None of you. What kind of help me need from none of you? It's because you don't want to know my fucking business. But coupon uno too. Go help your family right now. When you do that talk about to help people and help people on charity. And when a family that Jamaica right now don't even have blood clot, good pair of shoes to put on. Not even have a little food for them for Christmas dinner. If me want help, me not go to my family and friends, then go to who shall help that. Me I tell you say now, me I comfy, you see, uno bloggers we share this man slandering and bullying. What I need to do is to talk to him. You see him record dash out of social media? Do you see that the serious trouble this man did? Do you see that man obviously is obsessed with Marcia Campbell? When are you gonna stop? When is it that you guys gonna stop supporting his behavior on social media and tell him to go get some help for his narcissistic and mad self? This man have a pattern, to break down woman, Remember, I have him ex-wife out there, We have to run for your life, at 7 months pregnant and go in a halfway house and shelter and a welfare system until she get back her foot, Don't she dip on her foot, She almost have a doctorate degree. She's a public figure. She's an artist. She's a life coach and many things are in a church. So let me ask you questions. And she had to run for her life. The book tell it all. Go and buy the book. Go and get the book and read for yourself, and you will understand everything that is written in the book. That's exactly his behavior. Him no fun, him need to go find one of the house to go make. UGT or whatever you want name. Every fucking thing this little madman drop. You share it and I put headline. Don't put my blood clot name on top of your page. You know me not tap until me come off of you. You know me not tap until they stop bring me name on your page. My full name on your page. I bet you me get your fucking channel taken down. I going to see who broke and who a blood clot broke. When I have my lawyer writing to YouTube, you're not going to see something. Watch me. Watch me watch me and see if you're not going to continue. You and Erica and all of them will put my name on headline and put in slandering and bullying. Watch me blood clot. Since as you want to come on social media, come support bullying and slandering. That makes sense? Where you share that for? That fucking makes sense? You no see me get a gas station every day in my vehicle and take out my card out of my purse. What is that to share? How you share where man talk about say me pick up man from halfway house? That is slandering. That is discrimination and bullying. And me I go a gas station, go beg gas, and the man come sleep with me and give me free gas. When you not see me slung in my car when me go a gas station all the time and take out my card and hear the number punch and full up my bumper clock gas and go about my business. What kind of fuckery that you post? What kind of fuckery that you posting on your page? Is that content to be posted? Is that content to be posted? You can't look on a girl like me. You hear the man or the man jealous of me. Why you think she looks so happy lately? So my happiness about you. Where you get money from buy t-shirt? Me go fuck your daddy. And that me go do. Me go fuck your daddy and get him pension money. And that's so me get the money from to buy my t-shirt. Anybody where I go on and say me I go or do nothing. Yes, me walk on a fuck all I want a daddy and take him pension money and the money. And that me do. That is what I do. Me go frig on a daddy. On a daddy, I suck me like a lollipop and juice me like a sour sap film and me get all them pension money. That's what me I do. Me I walk and I war out and I fuck all I want a daddy. I want a man. Brighter out of order. On a nasty know where me live. Me could have live in a one shit house. All I not get is my bed where me lie down in. I not getting nothing. Motherfucker. I saw no love to come share bullshit and have an opinion about if she too bossy and show off. Oh, so me bossy and show off and me look up piece of old clothes, me look up piece of old wig me up on my head. And me look a selfie light pan something and me look a makeup on my face. So then I would tell nothing to do it. Good morning, Flex, so I go on. Me answer to some little dirty bloggers them over YouTube where I share this man slandering video towards me. And when you hear the comment them underneath it, you know say some little jealous underprivileged bitches them. I make them statement. Because through them can't know which part me live. And then can't see which part inside of me live. Come walk and talk about me and pick up man we are halfway, man we come out of prison. Must say one if say man we come out of prison. Me a date. and me a carry man go work a gas station and whatever it is. And I talk about say me who 8 months rent and me no pay and me have just because me come out. That is what it's for. Is I hit you want to get it, you can blood clot get it. You know how much people. If I come out and I tell no say that I went to United City and I get, it's my blood clot tax money when me I pay taxes. Some of you not pay one blood clot taxes and you not get freeness. So when you come and talk about me go to government place and get whatever, yes, I will go there and ask for it. Just like a lot of us go and ask for our light bill and our gas bill to help us pay when something come. What do you mean? Me working at this blood clot country and pay taxes. Me entitled to any bomber clot freeness. Fuck, no. And because some of you can't get it. Who not worry about me for? Me I live in my life. Who not live for no. Me, I go and watch me, me I give you no warning. Me say me I knock down the wall of them. No worry yourself. No worry yourself, people. Me know what me doing. But me I get the boy and couple of them where I call my name as a sheer slandering. And I put my name on headline. Don't put my blood clot name on a page. Don't put my name on a page. Just look, just watch and see what going to happen. Watch. Watch and see what happen. Watch. If you think I lie, me I tell. Me just keep putting it up there. Keep sharing slandering and put it up there. It's okay. Keep sharing it. Keep sharing slandering. The way you forgot do, you forgot sharing blood clot information way out. At that you forgot do. At that you forgot do. All of you way be a blood clot bias is to go share and show the whole Facebook community what the type of person that he is, and to see that this man is a predator stalker. That's what he means. Because if he wasn't a predator stalker and him have a problem, he would not be in courthouse for it right now. He would not be. He would have not been in courthouse for it right now. Till he gone from misdemeanor to felony. That means him bad. You see what him do to Amari. Uno see what him do to me for over 2 years ago in 3 years now. I wanna sit there and support him with the mental narcissistic self. Him not get away with it this year. Me can't tell you that. You're not getting away with it. Since as you want to come on social media, go on like say, you run this blood clots place. You're not getting away. Not with me. You're not, I gave you warning. Me give you hint. I gave you warning. And think you would have stopped. No. You feel like you want to come bully me, say things that me not have the body. A liar, blood clot tell. Silent river run deep. At that if you find out, me don't know if you could have looked on a person like me and say me not have no support behind closed door. My brother from England call me every day. My sister then call me. Me don't know what you talk about. Don't even talk about my uppy friend them that are very established in their own rights. You understand? Yeah. Don't even talk about my friend when me keep behind closed door. We call, no day no pass, them no call me. So turn the thing say because you know hear people come on social media. A lot of times me a family member come on the social media defend me. My cousin them. And because we don't know say them are my cousin. We are write up things. And because we don't know that they are my cousin coming and call out their name. So stay the belief say me don't have nobody behind closed door. You come and talk about I don't have nobody. I'm like, I see the people, why is she happy? Oh, I'm happiness, Amadio. Yeah. Why am I so happy? Where you get money from buy t-shirt? Me go sell me pussy to your daddy. And your daddy give me money for buy t-shirt them. Since as you want to know me get money from for buy t-shirt. Me go fuck your daddy and sell me pussy to him. And he give me money. At that, just as all your blood clot daddy a pay for me hotel bill. So I'm a homeless man, me a fuck. Your daddy me a carrying this blood clot come fuck. I am a pay for it. He might pay for everything. Because in blood clot mouth and my pussy and with him false teeth. I eat. I your daddy I pay for that blood clot. Anyone who know they chat me on a blood clot, daddy me a fuck. Yes, that is it. So that's why we can't hear from him. Because I'm left with no blood clot mama. With no blood clot mama tired pussy. Dry up pussy when I have no substance. And then come over one nice juicy one we have substance we can't suit him. So that's why. That is what I'm doing. On a blood clot daddy me a fuck bitch. There it goes. And I've been served. That's all no do. You know, dirty bad mind Jamaican go around a sheer bullying and slandering. Only poor ass people. You understand? Only look at poor ass people. Only peer only depend social media get trouble. Me not stop until me get some on the channel taken down. If you not take down, you can't call my name. Me not ask you no. Especially you GT boy, where I work with him. Everything him talk, you share it. You understand? You everything him talk, you share it and come put my full name on top of your page. What you think you are promote? What you think you are promoting? What making you go share him? What making you go share him in record now? Like everybody else share it. When the woman come out and talk on Flex page. What making you share it? What making you carry that? You bias blood clot, boy. You and you look a dirty pussy clot Erica landlord. And they arrest them. What make you not go share that? When my little pitney get arrested for foolishness and dash it all over blood clot social media. You see my bumper clot pitney have the record like that? What make you not share that pussy clot over social media? What make you not carry? What now wait for? With a big blood clot breaking news story like that. Because him come the other day telling about him get arrested back in the days when him live in Florida. Him never, you see the boy lie. Make him never tell no say me in a courthouse a battle felony charge. What make him not telling us saying how much child support? But you did worry about my 8 months rent. What make you go tell the people them say over 40, 50 blood clot thousand out of child support? What make you go tell the people them that? How you come and worry about my life?